In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get email on Squarespace in just about 5 minutes. Whether you're setting up a new website for your business or creating a personal blog, having a professional email address linked to your domain plays a crucial role in establishing credibility and brand identity. So let's walk through this process together, step by step, ensuring that by the end of this tutorial, you'll have a smooth and straightforward experience setting up your email on Squarespace. First off, navigate to the Squarespace website. It's where everything begins. Once you're there, you'll see the option to log in. Click on the login button to proceed. Squarespace offers various ways to sign in, and for convenience, we'll be using the Continue with Google option. This is a great feature that speeds up the process, especially if you already have a Google account, which, let's face it, most of us do. After clicking on Continue with Google, you'll see a list of your Google accounts. Select the account you'd like to use for this Squarespace service. It might be your personal or business account depending on your needs. Following your selection, click Continue to move forward. Now we're getting to the more exciting parts. Once you're logged in, look for the Domain section in your Squarespace dashboard. This area is pivotal because your domain is essentially your web address. It's how people find you online. In the domain section, you'll come across the option to get a domain. Don't hesitate to click on it. At this point, you're likely curious about which domain to choose. Squarespace has a search function that allows you to explore a variety of domain names. Use this feature to search for a domain you like. It could be your business name, your personal name, or anything that reflects your website's content or ethos. Remember, your domain name plays a significant role in web searches and your overall online presence, so choose wisely. Once you've found the domain that speaks to you, it's time to make it officially yours. Click on the domain you want to select it. Following your selection, you'll be prompted to head to the checkout by clicking on Checkout. This part is just like online shopping, pretty straightforward. The final step in securing your domain is providing your card details to complete the purchase. Rest assured, Squarespace is secure and your payment information is protected. Once your purchase is confirmed, you're all set. You now have a stunning domain name ready to be linked with a professional email service. And that wraps up our guide on getting email on Squarespace. Remember, the key to a smooth setup is following these steps diligently. Be patient, make informed choices about your domain name, and don't rush the process. Your website and email address are crucial components of your online presence, so it's important to set them up correctly from the start. Thank you for following along with this tutorial. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on making the most of your Squarespace experience. Until next time, happy creating.